Alright, hey there, I wanted to do a quick show and tell on what I think is the best knot for joining balls of twine. So let me see if I can't figure out a way to rig up the phone to where it can be shown. Alright, the type of knot I like is a, well, I'll have to look up the name of it, but you essentially tie the string. Not sure if this is visible. This is visible. Alright, so first you tie a knot around one string. Now let me set the phone down. There we go. And then you tie the same knot around the string again. See that? So they're just tied inside to each other. And then we'll cinch it down and I'll show you that. Alright, now you can see I tightened them up. Now you just draw them towards each other. And you get a nice tight knot that the harder it pulls, the tighter it gets, and seems to feed real well. I'll of course trim the ends off to about 1/2 inch. Alright, there it is, all trimmed up. So that's in my opinion, the best way to do it. Here's some light so you can see how it looks there. I think it's a better knot than a square knot. It seems to feed through the baler real well, and it takes maybe just a little bit longer than a square knot, but it sure beats the heck out of having a mistie and having to clean up a bale out in the field. So alright, well, it's about 11:15 here and I'm about to head out to bale. Moisture's coming up and hay's getting tough, so should be able to bale some decent alfalfa here pretty soon. So alright, yeah, that's the best way to join twine balls in my opinion. Let me know if you think there's a better way to do it. Alright, bye.